Hi, Grandma Joy here. Would you like to squeak like a desert rain frog? They make little squeaky sounds, just like a squeaky toy that your dog may have. How would you do that? Well, you need to say something like E, U, and a high-pitched sound close together. You could think about a balloon letting out air in that high-pitched sound, maybe. That's fun, isn't it? Desert rain frogs are tiny. It may look a little bigger because I'm holding it close to the camera. If I take this little toy frog close to me, it's very small, and a desert rain frog is very small. At the biggest, only 2.5 inches. So it's not big at all, and it spends most of its time buried in the sand dunes, deep in the sand where it can be cool. And when it's cool at night, then it will come up to get something to eat, like a moth or a termite or some kind of beetle or bug. Desert rain frogs live most of their time buried in the sand, and they're sticky, so they get the sand all stuck up on them. And then when they lay eggs, the eggs hatch in the sand as full frogs. They never have a tadpole stage. Isn't that fun? This little tiny frog that squeaks. They're so cute. So this particular toy frog actually makes more noise like a frog than a desert rain frog. Isn't that fun? I think that's fun. So think about the sticky desert rain frogs in the desert making their little squeaky toy sounds, and have fun. Your dog may be looking for the squeaky toy if you're making those sounds, but it can be fun. Just enjoy yourself. And I'll see you next time. Grandma Joy. Bye-bye.